Hey Chaos fam! So today I'm going to do a quick video of what's in my mailbox. Well, actually it's not a what's in my mailbox. There was just one package in my mailbox. And, but I did get my 2020 agenda. So, everybody knows that I always get the Paulo Coelho agendas. Specifically the hardcover, not the one that's like binded. No, this is binded. It's the one that's spiral that I don't really like. I get this one because it's so easy to get organized. Because you see? It has like I already have clients in for February because in my Nailophoria page on Facebook, I did the book now option and some of my chaos girls really liked it. So they decided to just book for next year as well, which is awesome for me because it saves me the trouble of having to book them when the time is getting closer and me being full. But anyway, I like this because all I do is I put my clients 2 hours apart. Not because I take 2 hours on each client, but because say I start at 8, maybe I'll take an hour and a half, but I have those 15 minutes, half an hour to an hour just in case either she's running late, I'm running late, so the next client won't, I won't have to like move her appointment down. So that's why I do my clients 2 hours apart. And I like this because it's just easy. You write the name, what she's getting done, which would be a refill. And here I leave the space so I know how much I charged her. So when I file my taxes, I know exactly what number to give my accountant. So, I mean, if you want more information about that, I'm not going to make the video so boring. But if you want more information about how I do all this, let me know. But yeah, I love this agenda. I've been buying them since like 2011. Don't look at my nails. I haven't been able to do them. As always, I have time for my clients, but I don't have time for myself. I'm going to have to put myself in agenda so that I can do my nails. But anyway, that's my agenda. It comes with a little, one of these things, divider, so you can know what day you're on. I don't like this one. I don't know if I like got it and it's defective or because the other one that I have, like, it's longer, so I have it like I can access it and actually like flip the agenda over with it. But this one is like really short. It only goes up to there. So, but whatever. I love these agendas. And it has like, well, they're in Spanish. Oh goodness, wait. But each page has a little like message, inspiration and stuff like that. So yeah, check out these. I'll link below where you can find them. I bought this at Sam's Club for $10.38. Sam's Club is associated with Walmart too, so maybe Walmart has them, and I know definitely Walgreens has them. So anyway, but I'll link below the website. Well, let me see. They probably have it here. Let's check really quick. Yeah. They have an email website. Okay. paulocoelho.com. So I'm guessing you can purchase the agenda in this website. Maybe check it out. Amazon also sells them too. So if you're looking for a great agenda so you can like, have everything nice and organized, this is definitely my favorite so far. I've been doing this for 19 years. I've even tried the Sally's agenda. This is perfect if you're like, it's just you yourself. You don't have a whole bunch of other cosmetologists or nail techs working with you. Perfect. So next thing I'm going to talk about is, by the way, this is my name. This is my address, my shipping address. I'm going to be receiving PR packages at this address. So if you're interested in sending me something that you would like for me to try out and review, I will gladly do that for you. I just want you guys to know that I received a message the other day asking me to review a product, but they wanted me to review it to their favor, and I'm not about that. Like, my channel is not about that. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I will be totally honest. My best friends know. You can be my best friend. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I don't like it, that's it. I don't like it. I can give it a few goes, a few tries. You can tell me maybe what I can do differently to make the product work better. But if I give it 2 or 3 tries and it's not convincing me, I'm not going to put it out there that it's good, because something that I take pride in is my honesty and my credibility. And I don't care how much money you're offering me, that's not going to change. So, Sudak, I think that's how you say it. It's tudakusa.com, if I'm not mistaken. I buy my nail bits from them. I buy the metal carbide bits. I buy them from them. And I also buy, so this is what I got in the mail, and I'm really excited about it because I love ceramic cuticle bits, cuticle nail cleaners. Cuticle cleaners, what the heck did I just say? Anyway, I love them because they're easy to disinfect and they last a long, long time. I don't like the ceramic nail file like these. I don't like them in ceramic because the ceramic wears down way faster when you're filing acrylic versus these that are just a file like the dead skin. So they don't wear down as fast. But I bought these two. They're very different, and I just learned the other day when I went to purchase this one that this isn't actually a cuticle cleaner. It's an under nail cleaner bit. So I always thought that this was the cuticle cleaner, but obviously I don't know if this is brand new, but I just saw it that day that I went to order this one. And this is a ball-shaped cuticle cleaning bit. I buy them in coarse. If you're starting, I don't recommend you buy them in coarse. You should buy them in either fine or medium. I buy them in coarse because I've been doing this for a long time, and I already know like the kind of pressure I have to put on the nail so that I don't damage it. But it's not as bad as with the metal ones, but the ceramic can cause a little bit of damage if you're too rough with it. So start off with a finer bit. So I'm not going to review this one because I think I have a video on that already. So I'm just going to review the new one. I think I prefer this one because it has a pointier tip, and I think that's easier to get into. It makes it easier to get into the nail grooves. So I don't know. By experience, I think this one is better than the ball shape. I just think the ball shape isn't going to get where it needs to get to remove all the dead skin. But maybe I can be wrong, so I don't know. I mean, Cuticle USA isn't paying me for this or anything. They don't even know I'm doing this. I don't think they care. But I'm going to review this really quick for you guys to see how it works. Okay, so it's not bad. I wouldn't say it's horrible. It's just like I said, I don't take back my opinion. I think this one does a better job of cleaning the nail more. So, I don't know. I don't know. I put some oil on them so they won't look so dry. But I'm gonna review this one for you too. After I said I wasn't going to, but I just want to show you how this one is better. It cleans up a lot better than the ball tip. So yeah, hands down, I am going for this one, the pointier one, because it does do a better job cleaning than this one. So it's not like I lost my money on it because I can use it. It's not the most horrible thing I've ever used. I could probably use it to like clean the free edge of the nail. But I mean, if you're going to purchase one, purchase this one because you have two in one. You have it for the cuticle cleaning, and you can also use it for under the nail. So about Cuticle USA, this is the website, Cuticle. I hope I'm saying that right, and I'm not like botching it. CuticleUSA.com. That's where I order it. I used to order these off of eBay, but I'm glad that they reached out to me because I buy them in bulk, and it's cheaper to get them from the website because obviously when you buy them off of eBay, they have to give eBay a percentage of each sale. So it's cheaper to get it directly from them, and that's what I do. I usually buy 10 of these, of the metal bits. I usually buy 10 of these because it's much cheaper. That's how they work. The more you buy, the bigger the discount. This time I bought 2, which I hate myself for because I should have bought the 2, but I also should have bought more of these because you can never have enough of these, and I can also resell them. But I didn't. So each piece was $12.95, which is not bad for ceramic, because the great thing about this is that it lasts forever. The only reason I bought another one was because, like I said before, mine broke. I don't know if I said it before, but when I went to New Jersey to work, when I packed this, I didn't pack it properly and it broke in half. So like this part, the coarse part, it broke right in half. I tried to use it, I tried to keep using it, but it made like gashes and dents in my nail because it was too sharp. So it wasn't working out. So that's why I bought a new one. But I can use this for like the other one that I had for 1.5 years, 2 years maybe. And since you can disinfect it so easily and they don't wear down as easily, they last you forever. So $12.95 for 2 years that you're gonna get use out of it or more is awesome. How I disinfect them is I use 99% alcohol that I buy at my beauty supply, at my local beauty supply, and I spritz it with some. I put a little bit in a dappen dish that I have, and I just put it in there between clients, and I let it disinfect itself. Oh my god, I can't even talk. I let it disinfect itself, and because it's ceramic and it's not metal, it's not going to rust, so you don't have to worry about that, which is great. But $12.95 is awesome, and since I bought the 2, I saved $5.18. So that's good, but it would have been better if I would have bought the 10. And you can mix and match. You don't have to buy 10 of these. You can buy 5 coarse bits, 5 ceramic bits, and they'll still give you the discount. I'm not sure how much the discount is. I don't think I used the coupon code for the discount either. I think it was because I bought the 2, because it doesn't say I used a discount code here. But, oh, here we go. See, it says special quantity discounts up to 40% off. So it tells you here how much you would pay if you bought the 10. I think this, yeah, it says this promotion only applies to your order at tudakusa.com. And I think this is just an example. Like some bits are more expensive than others, but if you buy the 10, you'll get the 40% discount, which is awesome. See, like when I bought the 10 metal bits the last time, I would have paid $99.50. I got the 40% discount. I paid $59.70, so that's a $39.80 savings, almost $40 savings, which is perfect. So each piece cost me $5.97, and I get free shipping to Puerto Rico. So it says free shipping for all orders within the U.S. and Puerto Rico, which is great, and discounted shipping for international customers, which is not bad at all. So I love these people. I've never had a problem with their orders. They always answer my emails, they always send me confirmation emails, and they send me a tracking number so I always know where my package is. So anyway, I hope this helped you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care wherever you are. Have an awesome day, awesome night, awesome week, weekend, whenever you may watch this video, and see you later. Bye.